Last year, more than 1 in 4 vehicles sold in the UK were from a Chinese manufacturer, and this growth is not slowing down. Just 3 years ago, it was none. For all hundreds of thousands of cars on UK roads, a lot are coming out of warranty. And with these comes thin dealer networks. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how the Chinese manufacturers have evolved in the UK. We're going to go brand by brand and exactly what tools you need to use for those brands. And more importantly, how to get access to repair information and how to get access to registration for those tools. So let's start with the first Chinese brand that came into the UK. So believe it or not, MG came into the UK, which is Shanghai Motor Company, or SAAC, who also own LDV, back in 2011. So there's now over 380,000 MGs in the UK. The important thing is, can you repair those vehicles and can you maintain those vehicles? And there is clearly a market for them. They've also been sold predominantly as mobility cars, and we see a lot of those go through the market secondhand at the moment. So for independent workshops who want to get into servicing MG vehicles, and indeed LDV vehicles as well, it's quite simple. At Maverick, we provide the original interface, which is, funnily enough, it's made by Bosch, but it's made by Bosch in China. It's a specifically programmed SIAC interface, and also you need a pretty powerful laptop to run it. So we all suggest our own laptop, which is to spec for most OEM, and if it's not, we actually change it so it is to spec for all OEMs, and that's our X14M. With this VCI and the laptop and the setup, this gives you full dealer level programming. You can add modules, you can do diagnostics, you can actually do the full portfolio. And the great thing about MG as well, you can buy an hourly subscription, a yearly subscription, a monthly subscription, so you can vary it and price it to suit the job. And it means that you can pick and choose as you feel right to do that job. In March 2023, BYD landed with a single model, the Atto 3. By the end of 2024, they'd grown 558%, over 51,000 cars sold in the UK in 2025. BYD is essentially offering a much better level of vehicle with much more sophisticated tech for less money than any of the current European manufacturers. The genuine dealer tool for BYD is the VDS 2100. It gives you exactly the same capabilities as the BYD main dealer tool, give you your diagnostics, coding and programming. And when it comes to it, it's got a 3-year license, which almost no manufacturer does. So this is the one I really want to dig into, because it doesn't just cover one brand, it actually covers 3. But before I get into that, I just want to mention all the links to all the tools are in the description. Now for the fastest growing group I've ever seen in the UK, which is the Chery and Omoda group. Omoda landed in August 2024, and just 5 months later, Jaecoo landed in January 2025. The Jaecoo 7, which I'm sure you've seen a lot of, is now the best-selling car in the UK, bar none, in 2026. So for us at Maverick, it was absolutely vital that we act as soon as possible to get that OEM access to repair those vehicles straight away. You get the same level of dealer coding using the Chery Omoda tool, which is actually made by Launch. It's not the same as a normal Launch tool. It's specifically made for the Chery Omoda group. But if you really want to get ahead, there's 2 more brands that are worth looking at now for OEM coverage. The first is Changan, and you're going to say, we've not really heard of this brand right now. You will, like you didn't hear of Chery and Omoda last year. Right now, it's mainly the Deepal brand with the SO5 and the SO7. This may surprise people, but they've got an R&D base right here in the UK in Birmingham. The cheaper Changan badged hybrids are coming later this year, followed by their premium brand Avatar later. If you want OEM access to Changan and Deepal, the tool is called the KT710, which gives you full access and includes a 2-year subscription. But there's one Chinese brand hiding in the group, and you might know it better than you think. Lynk Co sit inside Geely. If you've never heard of Geely, they own Volvo and they own Polestar and quite a few other brands globally. And in fact, they even own Lotus. So you will have already seen the vehicles, and you'll know that they're actually quite a good high build quality setup. If you're an independent, it's already set up for that kind of tooling for Volvo, etc. It's really easy to get in doing other Geely models within the range. We mainly see Lynk Co in Europe at the moment, but as we know with these Chinese brands, they emerge and they start to push into the market fairly quickly. There is a bit of a nuance. We know with Volvo, they're a little bit strict. They want to make sure that you're ID'd correctly, despite CERMI and despite everything else. They want pictures of your workshop, and the process can take a little while. But if you want any help with this, you can buy our bundle, or you can can go to the link in our description for help with dealer level tool support. Of course, more and more Chinese brands will keep coming. So there's one tool that I'd recommend not only for Chinese brands, but for generally for EV and hybrid vehicles as well. This tool is the XTool. The XTool itself is Chinese made. The E2 Pro, which is their hybrid and EV offering, offers a wide range of plug-in equipment as well as some chip programming on there, which means that you can test modules off the vehicles and on the vehicles, so it's extremely useful in a modern EV and hybrid workshop. It is the OEM tool for Leap, and Leap, if people don't know, are actually owned by the Stellantis group, who are Fiat, etc, etc. Which brings us to the question, which I'm sure every independent is currently weighing up. As an independent garage, we're always under pressure to keep up with the latest technology, and at the end of the day, all you want to do is get a customer's car in and repair it for them. It's hard to know how much to put into a brand and what the return on investment will be. That's exactly why we've taken the most popular European, Chinese, UK car part brands and ranked them against 7 criteria we believe matters most. The winner may surprise you, so check it out next.